Dear friends, we are into the next section in Unit 3 of Trees and Graph. We will be seeing here what are called tree traversals. This is one of the basic operations that is done in a tree. So we know in common for any data structure, when we have to define what is called a traversal, it is nothing but visiting every element of that given data structure. So for here, which means visiting every node of the tree exactly once. So once, but not more than once. So let's imagine there is a tree here. We have taken just two children. So we have a root T, we have a left subtree noted by L, we have a right node noted by R. So let's see how the three commonly used traversal schemes or methods are called. One is called pre-order traversal, in-order traversal, post-order traversal. Just for not to confuse, it's good to remember these words that come in the first. Pre, we know when we say pre, it means before. So pre. So this word pre defines the position of the root in the order of the traversal. So pre, that means before, that means root comes first, then follows the left first, then the right. So the order is based on the word, then preference goes to left. So in order. So when you look at pre-order here, we see pre, so root is first, then left, right. In order, in tells it is between, in between or in the middle. So who gets preference? Left. Then follows root and right. Post, that tells that the position of the root is last. So who gets preference? Left and right, then root. So that are the three traversals. So now if you want to put into a very general layman's algorithm, here is the process of the traversal for, let's say, pre-order scheme. So what we do first, it can be any operations. It could be sometimes visiting nodes. Sometimes it could be finding out, sorting or rearranging, deleting. For any operation, we need this primary operation of called traversing. So when we have a pre-order, what happens is first we process the root. This is pre, so root comes first. We process the root. After having done the operation, we go to the left. Having done this, we go to the right. So that is the order. Now imagine here it's easy. We have only root, left, right. Suppose imagine there were children for this node, then this order would apply to every node, the pre-order. So for example, root, take root first, then goes to the left, then again apply the process root, left, right. So root, left, right. So this left is over, root is over, then comes to the right, again root, left, right. So that is the order. So just going back to the original tree that was the beginning. So this is a tree. So if I use a pre-order traversal, it would be T, then left L, then R. Similarly, we can work on the algorithms for all the three. Of course, when for academic purpose, for examinations, this may be a too general a scheme. We will be going into what is called mod-based program type, where we will, having created, we will be able to explain it using better controls. So this explains the traversal schemes. I would ask you to work on the other three and also take some trees and find the traversals of the tree, so that will explain to us the different traversal scheme and their examples. Thank you.